Good evening, everybody, and welcome today. Hope everyone is having a marvelous Monday. What I'm about to get ready to do is prepare my nesting boxes. Our chickens are almost just a few weeks from being 4 months old. And I've been doing some research, and they was telling me to go ahead and set my nesting boxes up and start training them, letting them see the little ceramic egg in the box so they'll know where we want them to lay once they get started. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna cut this milk crate out for an opening so that they'll have a, and this will be their box. I'm gonna add some turf grass, and on top of that, we're going to put some wood shavings to be on top of that, and we'll make a nest there. I'm gonna go ahead and get started cutting. I got them cut out. I don't have a file with me today, so I'm gonna get a file and I'm gonna file these rough edges down so it make it smooth so they don't stretch themselves as they're getting in and out. But that's basically it for the cutting. Another thing, always have the proper tools when you're doing this work. I learned that. And the reason I say that, I think I could have done that a little smoother had I had a hand saw opposed to this Sawzall. So going forward, I don't have a hand saw on hand, but I learned that today. So I'll do a hand saw next time and I can get it closer and smoother. But I'm going to take a file and clean this up. Just a minute, I'm gonna add my turf grass and some wood chips and my eggs. So I got some turf grass I'm gonna lay in first in all three. And they the perfect size. They got perfect fit, just fit right in good. Then I'm going to take some pine shavings and put on top of that. Just want to make it real comfortable so them ladies when they start laying. And it'll help keep the nesting box clean as well. The turf that I have, if it gets dirty, I can just wash it. I can just hose it down and reuse it. So that's a good thing about that. Then I also have some nesting herbs that I put in the box as well. Just mix it around in there. And that'll keep the box smelling fresh, as well as it'll help with the keep some of the pests away from them as well. So that'll be a good thing. Put in some nesting herbs, and this got peppermint, lavender, marigold, and lemon balm. Just sprinkle a little around in there. And then we got these ceramic eggs. We'll sit in the middle. And what it'll do, it'll train them where we want them to lay the eggs so that we don't have to be Easter egg hunting year round, looking for our eggs once they do start. So again, I know it's probably a little early, but some of the research I've done told me to go ahead and set it up and start training them so they'll get used to seeing. So what I'll do, even when they do start laying, I have that Chickshaw 5.0. What we'll do, we'll turn this box where they can't get in it to roost at night. They can only get in it in the daytime to lay eggs. So that's how we'll start training them. We'll turn it in the morning when we open the box up, and before we move it, we'll turn it around so that they can see the eggs and they'll be able to get in and lay. And then at night, we'll turn it where they can't get in it. We don't want them roosting in the nesting box. Okay, guys, so this is it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And we're going to go down and we'll put these inside the 5.0, the Chickshaw. So now, that's it. So in the morning when I open the door, right before I leave for work, I'll just come around here and turn them around so that they'll be facing them from the inside. And if they want to go in and lay, they'll be able to go in and lay. One thing I like about this, you don't have to go inside it. We can let it up if we need to and do anything and everything we need to do from the outside. So that's a good thing about this particular. So I can just do this if I need to. And there you go. Turn it like that and they can lay in it. Watch when I start talking, they gonna start talking. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. So why you come right here to talk? So, all right, guys. So I need y'all to do me a favor. On YouTube, hit that subscribe button, turn on those bells. On Facebook, like, follow, share. Also on Instagram, want you to like us and follow us on Instagram as well as TikTok. And comment and share these posts with other people. Actually, invite your friends to follow Abundant Fields. Thank y'all. Have a great day. What you talking about?